What's up guys, Austin from Billetworkz here. Today I'm going to talk to you about our engine bay components, more specifically our new engine bay caps and dipstick handles. Now these products here are specifically designed for Subaru fitment. They are OEM replacement caps, they are not covers. These will of course fit WRX, STI, Forester, Legacy, etc. Now we do offer these caps in multiple different finishes. We have our anodized finishes, which are more of a translucent type of finish. This coating is of course durable and vibrant. But also in anodizing, we do offer multicolor finishes like our Cosmic Space. Here's an example of a sponge finish, which is red, white, and blue. We have here a black smoke with red splash finish. Here is a solid gold anodized finish. Now we do also offer these in a powder coat finish. We do know that a lot of you use custom powder coat colors in your engine bay, so we're able to match those as well. Here's a hyper blue finish. We offer a wrinkle red finish, which is ideal for those of you wanting to match your intake manifolds. They of course offer the neon yellow color to match the newer STI brakes. As you can also see, we offer two different designs, one of them being our B series, the other being our 0 series. The B series of course offers our B logo engraved in the top, and the 0 series is essentially logoless. You can also see here our dipstick handles done in multiple finishes. These are replacements for the existing dipstick handles. You can watch one of our install videos on how to install these as well. Now depending on your vehicle, you may need 4 to 6 caps to complete your engine bay. We offer an oil cap, a brake cap, a wiper cap, a coolant overflow cap, power steering cap, and a clutch cap. Now that I've covered our new engine bay caps and dipstick handles, head over to our website, billetworkz.com, to upgrade your engine bay. If you've already purchased from us, send us some pictures and we'll share on social media.